You guys are gonna watch me go up Mountain Currahee. Let's get on to the road. In second gear, no wonder it's bogging so much. Alrighty. Let's go see where we enter this beast. This is Camp Toccoa, so let's see if we can go up here. I'm not sure if this is the actual entrance or what, but we'll find out. Alrighty, so I believe this is it since that guy was running up here. They use this as a base, training base, and it was also featured in the film Band of Brothers, I think. Can't exactly remember. I have the whole series or whatever. I'm not sure if I have it, but I know either my girlfriend has it or her parents have it. I'm not sure. I'm going pretty damn fast on this dirt road because I want to really get through it. I need to slow it down, get in first gear. But yeah, so the famous phrase for this mountain is 3 miles up, 3 miles down. So that's probably what that guy back there was doing. He's going to be running up here, seeing the awesome view, and then running back. Ooh, that was close. Holy shit. Oh, shit. Damn. This is some crazy shit right here. Okay, that was some sandy ass shit. That is no good. My rear end was sliding around everywhere, and front end was just going wherever it wants to. Oh, and by the way, here's a question for anybody who wants to answer it. Here recently, the gas prices have been going down in Georgia to $2 a gallon, like $1.99 and $1.97, you know, whatnot. I want to see y'all's opinion for 87. Like, anybody else use 87 for their bike? You know, the age-old statement, only do high test in motorcycles, but here recently I've been doing 93 at the pump, and I switched to 87 just to see why the hell not. And it's actually running better. It's a lot smoother. Idle is a little bit smoother, and torque is a little bit greater in the low RPMs whenever I get out in traffic and shit. I don't like going down hills. I at least have nice thick pants on, and my riding jacket of like always, and my gloves, my new gloves, by the way. I'm not sure if I said that in the video yet, but I have new gloves. They're EVS, Silverstone, I believe. I was just reading what it says on the gloves, but yeah, EVS Silverstone gloves, white and black. This bike is just fucking going everywhere. Damn it. Fuck. God. God, what the fuck? Shit. Fuck. 2 miles, woo! Okay. Oh god. Holy shit. Okay, we're good. Shit. Oh shit. That was some loose ass dirt. Got a little fish taily. Okay, set this over down. This is cool. This is fucking awesome. Alright guys, now that I stripped down, because it got pretty fucking hot, I found something I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, look at this, man. Right now you're looking towards South Georgia. Right back that way is North Georgia. And let's see, it's North Georgia. If you keep on looking that way, it's Tennessee. If you look that way, you're able to see land in South Carolina. And this way is just Georgia. Oh shit. Look at this, man. It's just pretty cool what how things work out and what happens, you know. All this graffiti. Then on over here, you have what I like to call the fucking bat cave. I don't know why. I just now came up with that. Cool story, bro. Shit, that's a fucking drop off. There's a trailer here, but I believe that this concludes the vlog. Some sightseeing ropes.